Hi everyone, this is Shobita and welcome to Bong Bento Life. Sometimes you go out for a normal day in Kuala Lumpur and suddenly something extraordinary happens. Right in front of the iconic Petronas Twin Tower, MotoGP has arrived in the city. We weren't planning this at all, but what we discovered was full of speed, excitement, free gifts, and surprises that made our day even more special. Let's experience this MotoGP fever in Kale together. Today we are at KLCC, one of the busiest and most beautiful places in Kuala Lumpur. But instead of just shopping and walking around, we noticed something totally different. A MotoGP pop-up station had taken over the area, with racing banners, music, crowds, and pure excitements everywhere. It felt like festival right in the middle of the city. People were clicking pictures, checking out booths, and everyone was talking about the MotoGP launch event happening soon. And then come the best surprise. We got passes for the MotoGP launch happening on 7th February, right here in front of the Twin Tower. The real race day energy is coming in the next vlog. But today was all about the fun experience before the big day. And who doesn't love free gifts? MotoGP has giving away amazing goodies, from cool t-shirts to some surprises for fans. It honestly felt like winning a mini lottery. The excitement of standing in line, not knowing what we would get, and then walking away with MotoGP merchandise made the whole experience even more memorable. This is what I love about event in Kuala Lumpur. You always find something fun and unexpected. Of course, there are lots of pictures taking happened. Next, of course, we also played some PlayStation. And that's the most fun part. They had the PlayStation set up in MotoGP racing games. And it felt like we were actually riding those powerful bikes on the track. The speed, the sound, the competition, it was intense, so entertaining at the same time. For a moment, we're not watching MotoGP, we are living it. Honestly, this was one of the most coolest pop-up experience we have ever tired. After the games, we took some fun pictures around the MotoGP setups. Every corner was decorated with racing theme, perfect for memories and Instagram moments. The crowd energy, the music, and the Twin Tower in the background made everything feel extra special. This wasn't just an event, it was full of experience.
online Shopee.
Lanyard.
Do an online shopping at Shopee. Purchase any of their products and enter the contest to win motorcycles.
Follow করলে যেটা। Okay, thank you.
Motorcycles together with the
Sticker and
Today was all about the MotoGP pop-up fun. Free gifts, games, photos and getting ready for something big. But this is just the beginning because on 7th February we are coming back to official MotoGP launch event right here in the front of Petronas Twin Tower. Bikes, crowd, real MotoGP vibes and you don't want to miss that. So make sure you are subscribed to Bong Bento Live because the next vlog is going to be even crazier. See you in my next adventure. Till then, take care and bye. What's happening? That's the car and that's the bike. And now signing off. We'll see you in the MotoGP.